growing quiet beneath a glass canopy. Dreams linger in twilight. Echoes of the past whisper through the panes. Patterns carved in stone, telling tales of pain. Echoes of the past whisper through the panes. Patterns carved in stone, telling tales of pain. We tread stories etched in tiles, facing the storms ahead. Through the glass we reconcile. The world beyond in motion, colors blend and blur. Underneath the shelter, our thoughts begin to stir. Memory dance upon the floor. Silent conversations knocking at the door. On this endless path we tread, stories etched in tiles, facing the storms ahead. Through the glass we reconcile. Come and go, but our mark remains in the designs we trace through pleasure and pain. Facing the storms ahead, through the glass we reconcile. Beneath the cloudy sky, we find our place to rest. In the patterns and the rain, we withstood the test.